welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my ALLURE beauty box. This is my first time receiving it and I kind of already know what's inside, but I just want to test them out. So I'm going to be doing a full face of them today. Let's see my Ipsy unboxing. Make sure you go check that out. That was interesting. It didn't go as planned. So let's hope this is better than Ipsy. So if you want to see what I got in my ALLURE beauty box this month, then just keep watching. So I got two cards in my ALLURE beauty box. I got this card. It's just kind of saying what the theme of the box is. So it's sleek, chic, and multifunctional. So then they had you scratch off on this side. This is a scratch off to reveal to the products I'll receive if I choose to get a limited edition pouch. So I got a Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask or a mini beauty blender and a matte lip crayon in Winterberry. So let me know if you guys did that. It's interesting and I think that's kind of fun to kind of add into that. So yeah, also this is, I love Nikki, but here is a little booklet of everything that we got. So I'm not gonna really look through it because I really kind of, you know, I want to be a little bit surprised even though I kind of have an idea. So the box looks like this and has little sheets, so let's open it up. So the first thing I see are these BLISS holographic foil eye masks. It depuffs and brightens. Looks like this. And there's two in each one of these, so you have 2 times to use these. So I'm going to put these on. Let's read. Apply foil eye mask into clean, dry, under eye area. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove them, and then put the remaining serum into your skin. So I just cleanse my face. So let's apply these. So these was what they look like. They're little stars. They're so cute. So I'm going to leave these on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be right back. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to take these off. These are supposed to depuff and reduce dark circles. So then you pat the serum into your skin. I think this is kind of like a product that you're going to have to use a couple times to kind of see if they work for you or not. So I'm going to put them in my drawer. So I'm going to do my face makeup and my brows, and then I will be right back. So I just did my face. I put foundation, I set it, concealer, bronzer, blush, eyebrows. I also put eye primer on, eyeshadow primer on, and I set that with a shade from the Tartelette Toasted palette. So now let's get back into the box. I'm so excited about this product. It's the JUVIAS Place, the Nubian palette. Actually, I almost bought a JUVIAS Place palette during the holiday season at Ulta because I've been wanting one because I heard they're absolutely amazing from Nikki Tutorials. So I'm so excited to get this little one. There also is a bigger one, but this is just the essentials. So let's look inside. It's so pretty and it's just so like everyday. So I'm going to do a look with this. So first I'm going to take a fluffy brush. Take my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to go into this top shade right here and just kind of put it in my crease. It's kind of has an orangey color to it. Compared to the other shade, it's more of a brown. So I want to go for orangey today. I'm going to take another fluffy brush. I'm going to go into this red and kind of put it right into my crease, a little bit lower than the orange shade. This one's not showing up as much, but I think it might have a little bit of shimmer in it, so that might be why. I'm going to take this really pretty shimmer shade and press it onto my lid. Oh, wow. That's so good. And with shimmers like this, I would say use your fingers compared to a brush, just because shimmers always work best with your fingers. So that is the shimmer. I'm going to go back into the pink brush, put nothing else on it, and just run it right where they meet, where the shimmer and the pink meet, just to make sure it's seamless. So I'm going to take this brown shade with a flat brush or a pointy brush and just kind of put it on my outer corner. It's so pigmented, they all are, which is super nice. I'm going to deepen it up right at the edge. I'm also going to run it underneath my eye. So yeah, I didn't use all the shades in here, but I'll definitely be using this again. So here is the finished look. It's very natural, but it's still kind of glam. I think it's so pretty. So yeah, this is the Nubian palette by JUVIAS Place. So love that. Next I got this ART-KI-TEKT Slim Waterproof Eyeliner, and I think it's like in a brown shade. This is what it looks like. It's like a pen, which I love the pen. So let's see. Oh no, it is black. It's black. Oh, that's really, really nice. So I'm just going to do a thin line on the upper part of my eye. This is so good. So I just put a thin line of eyeliner. This is 10 out of 10. This is so good. I use a different pen eyeliner, and this is replacing it. That's how good it is. It's so black. It's just amazing. So yes, 10 out of 10 to this. So I put some mascara on. I love my eyes. I think it looks so pretty. It'd probably look better if I put fake lashes on, but I do not feel like doing that today. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. The next product is a nail polish. It is by Xoxo. And I'm not gonna do this on camera right now, but I'm gonna do my nails later. So this is good, exciting. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's a pretty purple shade, and the shade is violet. So really cool. It's full size. So and this box is only $10. Like, this is the same price as the Ipsy box, and look what I got there. Next, what I'm most excited for. I almost got this at Ulta too. It is an Ofra highlighter. It has 3 different shades in it. It's so pretty. Like, I've been wanting to try Ofra also. I've been wanting to try JUVIAS Place and Ofra, and look, I get to try them both for such a cheap price. So I'm gonna go into the white one probably. Yeah, the gold looks too dark for me. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go into the white and just highlight my face. And this pretty orange would look good on darker skin tones, but like for me, that'd be pretty eyeshadow. So 10 out of 10 for that. We have 2 products left, which is insane. This is the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade Cabaret Show. It looks like a brown nude, so I put this on. And last time I tried these lingerie lipsticks, they were so uncomfortable for me, so I hope this one's different. It was very drying. So here is the lipstick. It is so pretty. It's like a deeper brown. It has a little bit of purple in it, but it's not too noticeable, and it's super comfortable from what I am experiencing currently, and it's already dried down. So yeah, not my favorite, but it's really nice and I really like the color. So, and the last product is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette. These are my favorites. But look how little this one is. It's a single use. Like, I don't even know when I would use it. Like, keep it in my bag or something. Like, I don't really know. Ooh, this is so cute. So, what a great way to end it. So, final thoughts. I love this box. I think you get so much for $10. I'm also just kind of comparing it to Ipsy, which was also 10, and I didn't have a good experience there. I don't think this box is very personalized, which is not a bad thing. Like with Ipsy, it's kind of like, what do you want? Like Allure beauty box, it's more kind of, this is what we're giving out to everyone. So it's kind of like a universal, which I don't mind because they give such great products. So, and there's promo codes inside this little booklet. Each different item at the very bottom, right here, this little section, it says promo code. So if you want to get more, then you can get it for a discounted price, which I think is insane. I will be receiving these for a long time. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Let me know what you guys thought of your box this month, and if you don't get Allure, what other kind of boxes do you receive? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.